Ever wanted to be a YouTuber but not show your face? Totally possible. You might think that showing your face is a must to connect with your audience, but that's not the case. Many creators are finding success without ever revealing their identity. This trend is growing, and it's opening up new opportunities for people who are camera shy or simply value their privacy. It's called the Faceless YouTube niche, and it's blowing up. From animation channels to gaming, tech reviews, and even cooking tutorials, there's a wide range of content you can create without ever showing your face. The key is to focus on high-quality content and engaging storytelling. Think cool videos, no face on camera. Instead, you can use voiceovers, animations, screen recordings, and creative editing to keep your audience hooked. The possibilities are endless, and it allows you to be as creative as you want without the pressure of being on camera. This means you can share your thoughts, talents, and crazy ideas without ever hitting that record button on your webcam. Whether you're a musician, artist, or just someone with a lot to say, you can find your niche and build a loyal following. It's perfect for shy people or anyone who wants to keep their personal life private. You don't have to worry about how you look on camera or deal with the stress of being recognized in public. It's a great way to express yourself while maintaining your anonymity. Plus, it's all about the content, baby. Your audience will come back for your unique perspective, valuable information, and entertaining videos. The focus shifts from appearance to substance, which can be incredibly liberating. Your personality shines through your videos, not your looks. You can use your voice, humor, and creativity to connect with your audience on a deeper level. It's all about building a community around your content and ideas. So, are you ready to dive into the world of Faceless YouTube? Let's go. Embrace the freedom and creativity that comes with not showing your face. Start brainstorming ideas, get your equipment ready, and join the growing community of faceless YouTubers. The world is waiting to see what you create. So, why is everyone loving this faceless thing? It's simple, less pressure. Imagine waking up and not having to worry about your hair, makeup, or even what you're wearing. You can just roll out of bed and start creating. No need to spend hours getting ready or feeling self-conscious about your appearance. It's all about the content, not the looks. No need to worry about how you look, what you're wearing, or if your room is clean. Just pure, awesome content. This means you can focus entirely on what you want to share with the world. Whether it's a tutorial, a story, or just your thoughts, the pressure of looking perfect is gone. You can be in your pajamas, in a messy room, and it won't matter. Your audience is there for your ideas, not your appearance. This opens up YouTube to a whole new crowd. People who might have been too nervous or shy to ever hit record before. For many, the fear of being judged on their looks or the anxiety of being on camera can be overwhelming. But with faceless content, that barrier is removed. It gives a voice to those who might have stayed silent, allowing them to share their unique perspectives and talents without the added stress of being seen. It's all about letting your creativity run wild, not about how many likes your latest selfie got. When the focus shifts from appearance to creativity, amazing things can happen. Artists can share their process without worrying about being on camera. Writers can narrate their stories without the distraction of their looks. Musicians can focus on their music, not their stage presence. The possibilities are endless when the pressure of appearance is lifted. It's about sharing your passion with the world, one awesome faceless video at a time. Whether you're into cooking, gaming, crafting, or teaching, faceless content allows you to dive deep into your interests and share them with others. You can connect with like-minded individuals and build a community around your passions. It's a way to be truly authentic and let your enthusiasm shine through. And guess what? You can start today. There's no need for fancy equipment or a perfect setup. All you need is an idea and the willingness to share it. So grab your phone, hit record, and let your creativity flow. The world is ready to see what you have to offer. No face required. Think you need to be a tech whiz to make faceless videos? Think again. AI tools are making it easier than ever, even for kids, to create amazing content. We're talking user-friendly video editing software, AI voiceovers that sound super realistic, and even tools that can turn your doodles into animations. It's like magic, but even better because you're in control. These tools are like having a team of helpers who can take your ideas and turn them into awesome videos. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner filmmaker. Section 4. Faceless YouTube Superstars. In today's digital age, the landscape of content creation is evolving rapidly. More and more creators are finding success without ever showing their faces on camera. This trend is not just a passing fad, it's a revolutionary shift in how we consume and create content. Don't just take my word for it, look at the success stories. Channels like Brightside and Minute Earth have mastered the art of engaging audiences through their unique styles. These channels have built massive followings by focusing on high-quality content that captivates viewers from start to finish. They are killing it with millions of subscribers, proving that you don't need to rely on personal branding to make an impact. Instead, they leverage the power of storytelling, animation, and voiceover to create a compelling viewing experience, all without ever showing a single face on camera. They use cool animations, voiceovers, and clever storytelling techniques to draw in their audience. This approach allows them to focus on the content itself rather than the personality behind it, to make educational content that's both informative and entertaining. And the best part, this method opens up opportunities for a diverse range of creators who may not feel comfortable or confident in front of the camera. They prove that you don't need to show your face to make it big on YouTube. This is especially empowering for those who prefer to maintain their privacy or who want to let their work speak for itself. These channels are paving the way for a new generation of creators. They are setting a new standard and showing that creativity and innovation are the true keys to success. Who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible on YouTube? They are constantly experimenting with new formats, ideas, and techniques to keep their content fresh and engaging. This spirit of innovation is what keeps their audiences coming back for more. So get inspired, get creative, and get ready to join the faceless revolution. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, there's never been a better time to explore the endless possibilities of faceless content creation. The future of YouTube is bright and it's faceless. Section 5. What kind of videos? Let's get creative. The beauty of faceless YouTube is that you can make literally anything you want. Love gaming? Start a Let's Play channel with cool graphics and a funny AI voiceover. Into cooking? Create recipe videos with animated hands and a soothing voice guiding viewers through each step. The possibilities are endless. You can make educational videos, tell stories, create music, or even just share your thoughts on the world. The only limit is your imagination. Section 6. The good, the bad, and the faceless. Like everything else, there are pros and cons to going faceless on YouTube. On the plus side, it's less pressure, more privacy, and a whole lot of creative freedom. But it's also important to find ways to connect with your audience on a personal level, even without showing your face. This could be through your voice, your humor, or the way you tell stories. Building a community takes effort, but it's totally doable. So be yourself, have fun, and don't be afraid to experiment. Section 7. The future is faceless and awesome. With AI getting more advanced every day, the future of faceless YouTube is looking brighter than ever. Imagine creating entire animated worlds, having AI generate realistic characters, and so much more. The possibilities are mind-blowing. So are you ready to jump on board and see where this faceless revolution takes us? I know I am. Get out there, make some noise, and show the world what you're made of. No face required.